Hey, what's up, everybody? It's D'Angelo Legal Daily. Carlo D'Angelo here, episode 7. Today, I want to talk a little bit about, since I'm on the street and I'm walking, I want to talk a little bit about police encounters with citizens and what's acceptable and what's not acceptable. If you are approached by the police, they have generally 3 reasons that they can detain you. The first reason would be if they have probable cause to arrest you. Now, that means that they have observed you commit a crime. They have reason to believe that you've committed that crime, and they have a good faith basis to arrest you for that crime. If that happens, you're detained, end of story. Other situation that could arise is if you are detained because of reasonable suspicion, which gives the police the right to detain you because they believe that you have committed a crime, meaning you haven't committed it in their presence, or you're about to commit a crime. And in that circumstance, it really goes down to the reasonable belief of the officer and the surrounding circumstances. So if they see you poking around cars, if they see you coming from an area where a crime had just been committed and you maybe match the description of somebody, at that point they have reasonable suspicion, which is a lower threshold than probable cause to believe you've committed a crime. So under that reasonable suspicion scenario, they can detain you to ascertain, are you in fact the person they suspect is about to commit a crime or has committed a crime. So they can get your ID, check you out. They can even pat you down for weapons, determine if you have anything on you that could prove to be dangerous to the police officers during the time that they're in that encounter with you. In order to prolong that detention any further, they've got to come up with some kind of reasonable suspicion. So that's where things have to get a little bit more elevated. The third type of encounter is the consensual encounter. Police walk up to you, no reason to believe you've committed a crime, but they want to talk to you anyway. They want to know what your name is. They want to check your ID. In this situation, it really boils down to your belief. Do you feel like you're free to leave? If you believe that you're free to leave, well, then the officer is not detaining you, and you don't have any Fourth Amendment right to privacy from police intrusion. So what this boils down to is, are you free to go? If a reasonable person in your shoes would believe that they were detained, meaning the police made some show of force telling you couldn't leave, and that's actually the operative question in that situation. Hey, am I free to go? If the police officer tells you you're free to go, you don't have to answer any questions and you're free to go. If the police officer tells you no, you're not free to go, then that police officer has to have a reason to detain you at that point, because now that's no longer a consensual encounter. So those are your 3 basic types: probable cause to arrest, reasonable suspicion to detain you because they think you may have committed a crime, or a consensual citizen encounter, which you have the right to refuse, but you got to make it clear that you're free to go. I hope this helped. Stay tuned for more. Check us out. Facebook, Tyler Criminal Defense. Check it out on YouTube, D'Angelo Legal Daily. Check me out on the internet, D'AngeloLegal.com. All right, have a great day, everybody.